Buttins.
Yes!
Passing down.
Palag tayo ha, tandaan mo. Ayun, naka-center.
Ayan na. Juanites. Tulupenya. Paragas. Mga kabayan, maluwag po yung upuan. Pwede kayong maupo. Para hindi mo maharangan yung mga nagtitinda dyan. Ayun na, Juanites. Trailing the ball. Still. Almasan. Nice Buttins kaya from Paragas. Ayun na. Juanites. Watcher. Score time game of 2. Almasan. In the ball. Pass to Ferrer. Pinla. To Almasan. Sablay. Rebound. Paragas. And Lutero in the ball. Pass to Juanites. Paragas.
Pagparabunan dyan.
Pinla. To Almasan. Pass to Pinla. Back to Almasan. Pass to Ferrer. Hula. Sablay. Lutero for the rebound. Pass to Quiriza. Paragas. To Lupenya. Lupenya doing the ball. Back to Quiriza. Open for 3. Bang! Okay, Quiriza from downtown for 3. Kabelbel. Back to Almasan. Pass to Pinla. Ayun na. Ikot. Estel coming from Eleuterio. Eleuterio doing the ball. Eleuterio pa rin. And there's a foul. Dinogen number 3. Almasan blocking foul. First personal foul. First team foul. Back to Quiriza. Eleuterio fake. Ganda ng assist. Juanites to Paragas. Paragas to Quiriza. 5. And Lopenya for 3. Sumablay. Putak. Putol yan. And Ferrer. Kabelbel back to Almasan. Pass to Kabelbel. Sablay. Ferrer. Fake. And pass it down. Ganun from Ferrer. Quiriza. Eleuterio tinametta. Pass to Juanites. 10. 7. Quiriza. 4. Juanites. 3 seconds. Belisa. Almasan dribbling the ball. And there's a foul. Number 9. Lopenya. First personal foul. First team foul.
Yes, Idol. Yes.
Oh, nandira sa blind. Last throw.
Seedless, wala nang kaliskis. Seedless, wala nang kaliskis.
And the last race good came from Almasan. 6 minutes and 35 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Eleuterio. Ito naman. Pass to Lupenya. Back to Eleuterio. Paragas. 10. Quiriza. 8. Okerisa, 6, and Pirer. Tolarte, ayun na, pila, Tobong sa bao, balik-balik. Number 13, Tabilbil, and pin-knock out. Ayun na, Lupenya pass. 20 is good. Tie game at 5. 20. Ayun na. Almasan. Kabaho. Kagaling. Baba na. Substitution.
Tingin sa camera, idol. May ito si ate. Tayo dito. Mapinal ko.
Dalawa na agad ah.
Juanides Sablay. And Ferrer. Nice defense kay Bravo Loterio. Loterio angat. Sablay. Rebound by number 92. Bring the ball. Pass to Almasan. Sablay. Almasan ulit. Basket shot. Score 19-18. 1 point lead for them. Amir Boaz. And Lupenya leading the ball. Foul ka katap, number 26. Seven, ganda ng assist. Basket down, then from Zonza. Ayun na, lagyan na. Ring the ball. Paso Juanides, 14 to shoot. Loterio. Loterio lulusot! And Juanides for the offensive rebound. The boot back, Sablay. Almasan, leading the ball, 7 minutes and 8. Shot clock for 10. Almasan. Nice defense. Yung last sa green. Baba na. Salita. Loterio. Zonza Sumablay. Foul number 14. 14 tong first personal foul, second team foul. Palit-palit. Basket down, kaya from lumakit. 23-18, 5-point lead, Almasan. Meron ng ball, tinawag yung Juanides. Walang basket yun, nakadribble pa eh. Juanides, number 18. First personal foul, second team foul. Tonga, Bortre, Sablay. Tonga pa rin. Tapon sa foul.
Pwede na umikot na yung sundo namin ha.
Ayun na, Sablay. Rebound, Kota! Project. And lumakit rin the ball, 23-20, 3-point lead. Lumakit. Paso Juanitas. Juanitas rin the ball. Paso Lubenya. 2 up to shoot. 10. 7. Paragas, pull up. Let's get to. Almazan bringing the ball. 5 minutes and 34 seconds remaining. And now cut up, 14 to shoot. 10. There's a foul. And from number 18. Palit-palit. Substitution. Then to shoot. Kata Perez. Oh, traveling. Baba na.
Limab na naman dam.
Samson Borges. Zoom Mablay. Rebound. Fake. Good ball yan. Tapikan. Nagawa ng bola. And ayun na. Sikat. Back pass. Still coming from Samson. And Garzon. Dribbling the ball. Garzon pa rin. And Garzon. Paso mo Jose. Lungakit. Angat. There's a foul. Foul number 92. Substitution. Olarte first personal foul and 2 free throws for Lungakit. Oh, natira sa blind. Last throw. Basket came from Lungakit. Sub. Ayun na, Consiso Paso Almasan. 26-20 in favor of Amir Bawas. Sika. Estel coming from Okirisa. And Garzon. Dribbling the ball. Garzon back to Okirisa. Paso Lungakit to open for 3. Sumablay. And Almasan to Sikat. Basket count. Garzon itinungad. 4 minutes and 10. Back to Okirisa. 14 to shoot. Paso Makusi. Makusi. Turn around shot. That is good for Jim.
Yes, Almasan. Yes, yes. Good. Nice. Nice. Uwi na tayo sa Italy.
Jo, saglit Jo. Ayun na, Lungakit. 14 to shoot. Makusi. Back to Lungakit. 12. Lungakit. 8. And Makusi 8. And palit-palit. Ayun na, Almasan. Pasok lang. Back to Almasan. Ferrer, open. Lucere for the rebound. Pass to Garson, 3 minutes and 12. 20-24, Amir Pawas leading by 2 points. Substitution. Number 1. Almazan bring the ball. 3 minutes and 2. Pinlock. For 3. Short. Kabahog. Angat. Sablay. Rebound. Eleuterio. Good ball yan. Garson. Bringing the ball. Pass to Samson. Back to Garson. Ayun na. Gacos. Back to Garson. 11 to shoot. Eleuterio to Samson. For 3. Sumablay. And Kabahog bring the ball. 2 minutes and 26. Nagtapo ng sabaw. Minutes and 25 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Score 20-24, 4-point lead. Amir Pawas leading by 4 points. 17 to shoot. Samson! Bang! Samson from downtown for 3. Still got from Eleuterio. There's a foul. Tinawag kay number 3. Almazan pushing foul. Timeout! Takbong Bogi. Ayun na, Gacos. Pass to Eleuterio. Still coming from Kabahog. And Kabahog bringing the ball. Kabahog to Sikat. Pinlock. Ayun na, Gacos. Hindi naman. Pass to Garson. Back to Gacos. Eleuterio. Eleuterio pa rin. May foul na. Foul number 29, Gonzizo. Penalty. Unang tirasyon. Lastro. And the last one is good time from Eleuterio. Our next game for tonight, battle between Jetadux versus Twins. D3 category. Sikat to Kabahog. And Pinlock. Wide open. Short. And there's a foul coming from number 2, Garson. Warning for penalty. Almazan. Ganda na kasi Conciso. And traveling. Dinawag kay Conciso. Baba na. Ingat po pagka may ibang lahi, no? Mga gamit nyo, ingatan nyo. Andyan yung mga negro. 1 minute and 10. 14 to shoot. Eleuterio. Ganda na si Gacos. 57 seconds remaining. Almazan. Ayun, nice defense. Gacos leading the ball. Gacos pa rin. Gacos supply. And Kabahog pass to Sikat. Sikat leading the ball. Sikat pa rin. Ball fake. Sablay, rebound, Pinlock, angat, Sablay, and Gacos controlling the basket, pass, ayun na, bring the ball, 28 seconds remaining. Eleuterio, pass to Makuse, short, and 20 seconds. 15, 12, Almazan. Kabahog. Basket down. 7 seconds. 5, 3. And second quarter. This is our third quarter. Almasan. Paso to Bilbil. Back to Almasan. 14 to shoot. Paso number 16. And meron foul. And number 13, Paragas. First personal foul. First team foul. And 2 free throws for number 16. And unang tira pasok. Last throw for Resendizo. Sablay, Paragas for the rebound. Paso Garson. Garson driving the ball. Paso Lucena. Back to Garson. 14 to shoot. Paso Paragas. Juanites. Pull up. Sablay. And Resendizo for the rebound. Paso to Bilbil. Back to Almasan. Almasan driving the ball. Almasan to number 92. Ayun. At meron pa ako na itinaw kay Juanites. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Sideline inbound. Sa baba yung Paul. Sa baba. Substitution. Almasan. Tukabahog. Ayun lang. Mataas. Tatlo na si Juanites. Oh. Ayun na, Garson. Leaving the ball. Paso Lucena. Shot clock 14. Lucena to Sonsa. Hokerisa. Shot clock 8. Garson. 5. Paragas. Basket count. 10 from Paragas. Oh, paubos na shot clock pag nakakasit si Paragas. 8 minutes and 38. Almasan. Ganda ng assist. Fake. Foul number 9. Lucena. Second personal foul. Third team foul. And 2 free throws for Resendizo. Unang tira sa blind. Last throw. Sablay pa rin. Rebound. Paragas. 14 to shoot. 14 to shoot. Kabao receiving the basket. For 3. George. Angat. Sablay. Rebound. Sonsa. Yun. Almasan. For the steal. Almasan. Na crossover. At meron ng foul. May tinawag kay Garson, number 2. Third personal foul. Balik-balik. Pares kayong tatlo. Garson and Juanites. 8 minutes, 17 seconds remaining. 2 free throws for Almasan. Unang tira pasok. Last throw. He scored 36-30. 6-point play for Team Amir Fawaz. Last throw for Almasan. Isa pa. Oo. Yung nasa 3 points, antayin yung tumama sa ring. Ayun. Ayan. Kailangan tumama muna sa ring bago pumasok yung nasa 3 points. Basket kay Ram Almasan. Lucena. Back to Hokerisa. They scored 36-31. 5-point lead. Amir Fawaz leading by 5 points. 8 minutes and 8. 14 to shoot. Lucena for 3 shot. Ayun na, Almasan pass to Kabahog. Back to Almasan. 7 minutes and 54 sa ating game clock. Olarte. Pass to Resendizo. Erase. Nice defense kay Paragas. Juanites during the ball. And 1-10. Supply, Almasan. And Cabahog. Drilling the ball. Paso Larte. Larte angat. Good down. And the lead cuts down to 3. 36-33. Ogarisa. Shot clock 10. Ganda ng assist. Lovenya to Sosa sa fly. May condition for the rebound. By now, Almasan driving the ball to Tabel Game na tapo ng Sabaw. Balibay.
Tingin sa camera.
Almasan. Substitution.
May puntos ka mamaya, Marco. May ginawa mo.
Ayun na, Ogarisa. At meron pang na ginawag dahil Eleuterio. Penalty.
Isa lang doon. Kasawa yan ay! Ito pala sa mayon.
May bilang yan, 8 seconds violation. Domination 35.
Ayusin mo pang ba?
Ayun na, Almasan. Tutonga, back to Almasan. Almasan, Tutonga na tapo ng Sabaw.
Tingin sa camera.
Ayun na, Eleuterio. Ibinoed.
Bantay, bantay. Bantay sarado.
Paso Samson. Samson doing the ball. 4-3. Sumablay. And Tonga, paso Almasan. Back to Tonga. Tonga. He scored tied game at 25. 1 minute and 46 seconds remaining sa ating game block. Ayun na. Still. Counter still. Eleuterio. Eleuterio. May foul, may foul. And you know, the number 29, Gonzizo. Ako shooting yan. 2 free throws for Eleuterio. Second personal foul for Gonzizo. Nang tira natin ang vitamins. Lastro. Supply, rebound ni Gonzizo. Pasok na bahog. Hopeful yan. Eleuterio, dribbling the ball. Eleuterio pa rin. Pasok Baragas. Baragas. Traveling. Babango. Tonga to Almasan. 1 minute and 20. Almasan dribbling the ball. Paso. Gonzizo. Sablay. Eleuterio. Paso Baragas. And Baragas in the ball. Paso Samson. Samson for 3. Sablay. And Almasan. Bringing the ball. Almasan. Angat. Ayun na. Tonga. Tirang Pilipit. Sablay. Pull back by Almasan. 48 seconds. Samson. Paso Baragas. Baragas. 38 seconds. At meron ng foul na itinawag kay number 6, Samson Palit-Balit. Jose Egondiso. Penalty. "41 seconds remaining." He scored tie game at 47. Unang tira pasok, Lastro. Basket game from Almasan, 31 seconds. At lumamang na ang takbong pogi ng dalawa, 49-47. Ayun na, Gacos. Garson. Paso Samson. Back to Gacos, 10. Back to Samson. Haig. Samson, pull up, basket down. 10. Almasan, 7. 5. Foul. Number 06. Penalty. 2 seconds. Nandito pasok. Samson, third personal foul. Lastro, 2 seconds. And the last throw is good. 2 seconds. Ayun na, Eleuterio. Itinawad. Eleuterio pa rin. 14 to shoot. Jorge Paso Paragas. Macuse open. Basket down. Gava Macuse. And Olarte, paso Kabahog. Kabahog to the ball. Back to Olarte. Eleuterio, and the lead cuts down to 3. Eleuterio. Paso Kirisa. Back to Eleuterio. Bringing the ball. Eleuterio pa rin. Ayan, tapikan. Olarte. Tinapon. Hindi ipinasa. Ayun na, Juanitas. Ito naman.
Sa camera.
Juanitas. Paso Kirisa. Kirisa to Paragas. And there's a foul coming from number 31. Kabahog. Third personal foul. Penalty. And 2 free throws for Paragas.
Kylie kami sa hospital.
Unang tira sa blind. Lastro. 2 minutes and 39 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. 62-59 our score. 3-point lead for team Takbong Pogi. And the last throw sa fly, Olarte. Dito yan. Macuse, Eleuterio, and 1. Basket down, foul number 92, Olarte. Bonus shot for Eleuterio. Ganda ng laban, walang bumibitaw. 2 minutes and 32 seconds. For the equalizer, Eleuterio. Bonus shot for Eleuterio.
Ayun baga. Nakawat sa mga ato sabi yung skapon niya. Nakawat ba ganun? Nagbilog mo niya.
Supply, Paragas! Tenor! Takbong Pogi. At lumamang na ng isang number 1, 63-62.
Ay, ne. May laro ba siya? Ngayon? May laro din siya. Isang buo. 8:15. Narapat siya.
Kuha sa kuha sa video.
Back to the border.
Makayaman mo. Murang.
Ayun ang Almazan. Itinawet. Paso Sigat. Sigat. Dribbling the ball. Sigat pa rin. Ito na. Ay number 35, Bakuse. Second personal foul. Warning pa lang for penalty. Warning pa lang. Ayun na, Tamani. Estelo. Dalawa sila. 20 shoot. 20 shoot.
Kulang. Isa lang naman. Isa.
20 shoot.
Wala, 2 minutes na lang.
Ayun na, Tamani. Tapon sa ball. Number 92 out. Redon Sindo. Kakapulol. Ayun na. Oliverio. Paso Juanides. Tumakose. Good ball yan. And Tabigan. Tamani recovers the ball. To Almazan. Almazan reading the ball. Ayun. And Recondiso. Time out. Amin pro. No. Oliverio. 18 to shoot. Back to Oliverio. 14. Paso Barangas. Ayun na, Juanides. Mahuse. 1 minute 33 seconds. 1 minute and 33. Ayun na, Kabahog. Back to Sigat. Sigat. Itinawet. Sigat, dribbling the ball. 1 minute 25. 14 to shoot. Paso rin Zizo. Estel. Tabigan. And number 16. Paso Kabahog. Almazan. Ayun na, Luterio. Controlling the basket. 1 minute and 5. Pasok rin sa for
3. Kisa na. Kisa na. 100 seconds pero kayong dami.
Ayun na, Sigat. Wide open for 3. Sablay. Tabahog 7 for 3. Tabahog for rebound. 13 seconds. Tabahog. Tabahog. Tamani ulit. Number 23, Oliverio. Substitution.
Ay, girl, kayo mata siya.
Ilan sa Oliverio? Ha?
7 seconds.
Time out na yan. Time out! Saktong bogi.
Ganda ng laro, no?
May isang plastic lang. Plastic lang ha?
Back to the ball game. Ay, patakboy mo yung rabol natin, Jing.
Magaling pala yan si Samir.
Patakboy mo yung sapatos natin.
Oh, si Alman.
And 2 free throws for Tomane.
Bago luto.
Oh, natira Baleng. Last throw.
Hindi lang.
Last throw.
Pinakalam, may sapat na. Ito, green.
Last throw. Wow, 7 seconds. Both teams, wala ng timeout.
Picture ba kami dito Almasar?
7 seconds remaining.
So, player of the game time. Almasar.
7 seconds remaining. Seven seconds remaining. Front court yan. Front court inbound yan. Front court inbound yan. Sa kabila. 7 seconds remaining. 7 seconds remaining.
Ngayon, saka ngayon meron.
Sa kabila, sa kabila.
Bukas pa yung 5-7.
7 seconds remaining sa ating game clock.
Man-to-man.
Ayun na, Eleuterio. 5. Eleuterio.